Hello, we have two rules here and we need to find the area on a graph where both rules are happy at the same time. Then we will shade that area with color. Here is our plan. First, we change each rule into a straight line. Then we find which side of each line makes the rule true. The place where both sides overlap is our answer. Let's start with the first rule. We change it to an equal sign to get our line. Put in y equals 0. We get 2x equals 6, so x equals 3. That gives us the point 3, 0. Now put in x equals 0. We get negative 3y equals 6. Split into equal parts by 3 and we get y equals negative 2. That gives us the point 0, negative 2. Now we connect our 2 points to draw a nice straight line. This line goes through 3, 0 and 0, negative 2. We draw it solid because the rule has a less than or equal to sign. Which side of the line is the happy side? Let's test the point 0, 0. We put it in and get 0 and 0 is less than 6. That's true. So the side with the origin is the happy side. Now let's do the same thing for our second rule. Put in y equals 0. We get 2x equals 12, so x equals 6. Our point is 6, 0. Now put in x equals 0. We get 3 equals 12. Split into equal parts by 3 and y equals 4. That gives us the point 0, 4. Connect the 2 points to draw our second straight line. It goes through 6, 0 and 0, 4. Again, we draw it solid because we have a less than or equal to sign. Let's test the origin again for the second rule. We get 0 and 0 is less than 12. That's true. So again, the happy side is toward the origin. Let's find where the two lines cross each other. If we add both equations, the y parts cancel out and we get 4x equals 18, so x equals 4.5. Put that back in and we get y equals 1. The lines meet at the point 4.5, 1. Now here is the fun part. The first rule is happy above its line and the second rule is happy below its line. The place where both are happy at the same time is our answer. That's the area between the two lines on the side of the origin. Great job, we found our answer. The shaded area between the two solid lines on the side where the origin leaves is where both rules are true. Every single point in that shaded area makes both rules happy at the same time.